Hello po, magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Today is June 8. June 8, Sunday. Katatapos lang ng simba. Nagsimba kami ng 10:30 to 12. Malamig na yan? Is it cold? Hi ka daw, hi. Ano ngayon celebration ng Independence Day here in Ottawa. Pero hindi man kami pupunta kasi si Jaden tutulog na siya. So hindi ako nakapag-vlog before nagsimba kasi nagmamadali na kami. 10:30 na kami nakarating dito, maglalakad pa kami. So, todo lakad. Naya, stay. Okay, now you can walk. Always look right and left, okay? If there's a car coming, okay? Sayang, no? Nakapag-picture siya na dun sa Janaya? Dun sa car? Sports car?
Wala na.
Wala na. Kung hindi lang kami nagmabadali, picture sana si Janaya dun sa sasakyan, sports car. Ganda. Kulay red, kulay maroon. Wala na. Oh well, it is what it is. Hindi na kami lalabas. Diretso uwi. Pili na lang ng Burger King. Sa Burger King, chicken burger with fries. Are you gonna play? Why so pretty, Naya? Can I take a picture of you? Okay. Can I take a picture?
Oh, look, mommy. Smile. Look, mommy. Say peace.
One more.
One more. Mommy.
Look at me.
Look, mama.
Okay, good job. What did you do? Did you eat something? Did you eat crackers?
Yeah, I ate crackers.
Oh, you ate crackers. And then, you drink water?
Come here. Here.
Bakit siya pag nagsuot, parang ang mahal-mahal ng damit?
Come here,
No, hindi. Kaninang hawak-hawak ko, parang walang dating na damit. Ngayong nakasuot na sa kanya, parang ang mahal. Malakas ang dating.
Let's go.
We're going?
Go home.
Oh, there. Baka gusto niya ng milk.
You want milk?
Milk.
No, no, not.
No? Okay. Audrey.
Huh?
I like milk.
You want milk?
Gawa mo na si Daddy. Tapos nahulog yung takip na, de. Anong gagawin mo nun, de?
Okay, itong takap na yung meto.
Wow. Brum, brum. Nakalabas na yung mga motor, de. Ganda na yung panahon. Parating na si summer. Ay nang ano po. Yan.
Yeah, Daddy.
Daddy will help you. Uy! Tulog!
Milk come out. Uh-oh. What? Yeah, what Daddy did?
The milk spill out?
It spilled out.
Did you play with your friends today?
You have so many friends there. So many friends. Very good. Very good, Naya. Naya has so many friends.
How about you then? Did you play with your friends?
No.
Nana yung Corvette. Bamis na nita na eh.
Mamalagwa ito.
Huh?
Mamalagwa.
Maybe there's an appointment. Or he gotta work.
Malagad yung magamit ito, oh. Bayo yun.
Or,
Ang Corvette.
yeah.
Something niya pa pintura.
Ganda ba kulay na de?
Yeah.
Papisa na kanina kay Janaya. Kaya nagmamadali tayo. Oh.
Cover your legs. Cover the sit-up.
Let's go. Nakahinto kami. Umiyak si Jayden.
Wow.
Oh, ayan na Jayden. Ayan na po.
Sleep na, sleep na.
Ayan na po. We're moving.
Sleep na, sleep. Drink na your milk, my love. Yeah, because Jaden now happy because the car is moving. Jaden sad if the car stops.
Tuminto ulit.
Yan na.
May nagre-reklamong bata.
Finish your milk, my love.
Daddy, lipad na.
Finish your milk. Oh yeah, finish your milk.
Daddy, lipad.
Ay, saro lang ko sabi lang ganyan daw.
Oh yeah. Good job, Ate Naya. Good job.
Don't cry, Jaden.
It,
Oh. Don't cry, Jaden, please. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, Jaden. Yeah, the car is moving now. Yeah, bakit? Bakit lablab ka? Bakit? Oy, oy no. Bakit? Ano yun?
Lamba na naman. Stoplight.
right?
Ano yun?
Why it's taking so long?
Ano yun? Bakit naman kasi?
Tagal-tagal naman na ano.
Oy! Oy! Oh, Yana, 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 let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go, Jaden. Let's go, Jaden. Let's go. Sakto-sakto.
Buti hindi na abutan ng red light. Ang bilis. May mga dahon na yung mga puno dahil.
Ha?
Mabilis. May dahon na yung mga puno.
Yeah, Ben. Full bloom na ring bulunga.
True.
Karas ng September, mag-yellow din na naman. Wala pa mang September, mag-yellow na naman. Winter na naman.
Mabilis ang panahon. 2 months. 2 months summer. July, August. Not 2 months, 3 months. 3 months din eh. Are you sleepy? You're sleepy? Where's Daddy? No, Daddy's not here. Yeah, you like fries? Then you go to buy a burger. No, that's Timmy's. Right there. Burger machine. Burger machine. Burger King. Daddy go to Burger King and buy fries and burger. Naya. Naya. Is Wale sleeping? Wale sleeping. Here. My burger. Bakit eh? Erase that. Nagpatugtog si Daddy. Nagkapunta ka yun eh.
Timmy's.
Ma, you like Timmy's?
Buri na ka na yung fries.
Mami.
Naman gisa ng gatas natin pang po.
Bisa kaya na.
Ni buri.
Ayko. Chura naman.
Ma, you like fries? Ay, you like fries. You like Timmy's? Oh, nahulog na. Yung hawak. Bago sa mga Timmy's. Na?
Balog mo naman na nakain. Kape ka na.
Ayaw.
Ika.
Ayaw.
Ika. Ikaw ba rin pick up? Tinaward yung pick up.
Inayin na yan eh.
Hi, 1 large ice cup, please.
Okay.
That's it, thank you. Pagpaalam natin, magkabaguding natin. Hindi pa ang binyang order ko.
But otherwise, it's not like that. Maybe she's telling you to come over here.
Ito na ka rin yun. Ohio?
Huling ina nakakatayo. Kasi senator siya pa.
Makamuko ko to senator siya. Pero ang plate number na, Ohio niya.
Maybe they bought the car
Ba?
in US. He can now sleep. Put it front. He can now sleep.
Can I ask for a slip, please? Thank you. Ang manager din yung chicken drive to. Wala sa tao.
Maybe. Ano tong $5 ng Burger King? $5 meal deal.
Ito. Chicken Junior yan or Whopper Junior. Walang kids meal.
Ah, yung maliit lang.
Yan, Whopper.
Yan no?
Chicken junior.
Small price ang po.
Ano yan?
$5 ha? Pwede na yun. Disali ka nga dua.
Right?
$10 siya.
Ganti na kang fries. Adwa.
Adwang price. Adwang burger. Tsura na yung parking kayo na. Ikaw, tangya man nakita ng lugar rin eh. Hindi pa sama sa parking.
Let's go. Ano kaya ang purpose niyan? Ilaw?
Yung Canada Day, libre kanyang kinin eh. Magtataka yung Canada Day kinin. Kasi libre kanyan, di ba? Kaya museum yun eh.
Wow.
Kaya ba yan? Yung libre kang Canada Day?
Search you.
We never been there.
Kasi di ba yung libre ng World Museum?
Yeah.
Ng Nature Museum. O yun yung libre
pati yung kaya, pati yung nano ito.
We don't know.
Kasi nung nature museum, traffic.
Libre yata. Gana-ganang museum, pero dapat maraming ka.
True.
I appreciate na siguro na yan kayo guys.
Take off your, shoes.
Take off your shoes. And your socks.
Jaden's right there. Awake. Jaden's awake.
Your socks. Para hindi marunong mangitim. Na, give me. Remove the socks. Naya.
Ayaw daw niya.
Wear another socks.
We're different po.
Sa bahay na kami. It's
Put your shoes on the side.
almost 1 p.m. na ng hapon. Inaubos kanina dyan na yung pag aga kasi niyang nagising. Hindi naman maaga. 9 na. So, medyo siyang gana. So, ito na ang ating pagkain. Burger King.
Remove that one.
Of course. Yan. Whopper ni Daddy. Whopper. Whopper. Then, ay. Parang amin to ni Mamang. You want more? No? What happened? Where are your socks? Go to Mamang. Yan ang at lunch. Jade. Saan mo siya lalagay de? Duyan. Sana inan mo muna yung duyan. Huwag mo siya kinuha.
Ito.
Naya.
Naya, anak. Hey. Gan. Mga koleksyon ni Daddy. We're done eating. Pagpupo siya. 1:30 na ng hapon. Ah? Punta daw si na Mamang sa Healthy Planet. Kasama niya si Janaya. Tayo, hugas tayo ng plato. Ay, tapan na natin ito. Kinainan ni Janaya kanina. Where are you going?
We're going.
You're gonna go downstairs? Wow, you have the same clothes with Mamang. Purple.
Karakal ko pala t-shirt ka rin na
Yeah.
dapat sumunod. Yeah, dapat pag mo kung basan mo.
Bye, Naya. Enjoy. Go ahead.
I thought you will not come. You stay with mommy?
No, I
I don't like to stay with Mommy. Okay. Enjoy. Bye. 8:10 na ng gabi. Ulam na makakain ng ulam is wihit na dinuguan. No, Janaya. Janaya kumakain pa. Ang gulo ng buhok mo na. Kanina, pagkatapos namin kumain ng lunch, natulog kami. Tapos nagpark si Janaya pagkagising. Kauli nila mga bandang +8. Nang oras na din tang daran ma. Pasibayo. 5:30? No.
6:15 yung balik lang.
6:15. Dalawang beses silang bumalik. Kasi nagpupo si Janaya sa una. Balik sila mga bandang 4:30 to 5. 5. Balik sila ng 5:30. Pupo is like no yan. Janaya. Naya. Subukan na. What happened, Naya? What happened? Nahulog iPad? Si Jayden nagising. Sinisipon yata si Jayden. Sama ni Daddy.